Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to cook an easy winter melon soup. Tara, samahan niyo ko! This is a winter melon and the zucchini, and these are my ingredients: the lean meat and dried mushroom. I already soaked in the water, and fresh prawn, and the next is dried prawn, all these ingredients need to cut into a small size like this, cube size, guys. We need to use chicken broth like this, without hormones and antibiotic. This is lotus seeds, guys. You need to boil first with sliced ginger. Here I slice everything already, and it's ready to cook right now. First, I need to boil the lotus seed first because it takes time to get soft, and after a while add the chicken broth and mushroom, and then the lean meat plus the dried shrimp. If we check the lotus seeds is 75% soft, then we have to add the winter melon. The winter melon is soft already, then we can add the zucchini and the fresh prawn, and let's stir it, guys. Mix it. After 10 minutes boiling in a low fire, then my soup is ready. Here is my soup. My quick winter melon soup is ready to serve. Yay!